Hello. Have you started streaming? So you are in the right place. You don't know how to see live messages or to see how many people right now watching your stream? Yeah, you are in the right place. We have a transparent widget chat overlay add-on. It allows to show live chat and to see how many people are live. Okay. First of all, you need to download this add-on. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. What else? You can use this add-on also with YouTube and Kick platforms. Of course, it works in different way. Yeah. So after downloading and installing this add-on, you will see this tab. First of all, I think we need to connect this add-on with our chat on Twitch. So let's click left mouse button on the setting icon. Here we go. We have a chat option, username. So to connect with Twitch, it's so simple. Just go to Twitch, find out what is your Twitch channel name. Okay, go to settings, and here we go. We have Dagros username and displaying the same. And Dagros, so just copy it. And just copy the channel's name. Okay, paste it here. Dagros, if I click save button, here we go. Something is happening, but I just joined the chat. So right now, if somebody will type a message during my session, I will get a message. Keep in mind that this chat sometimes doesn't work instantly. After installing, you need to wait 10 or 15 minutes. I don't know why, but it needs some time to connect between each other. Okay, so we have a chat. What else? Of course, you can try to use with YouTube. There's option widgets. Hint for you, use Botrix for YouTube. Maybe in the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect some tips for YouTube. Okay, let's concentrate with Twitch. So, what else? We need to see how many people are watching our stream right now. How we can do it? There's a website, Streamlabs. I already have an account, so just go to and log in with Twitch, of course, for this video. Okay, here we go, a website. If I want to find this widget, go to all widgets. Let's move the cursor down, and we have Weaver account tab. Click again, and that's it. We have widget URL. Just copy it, the widget's URL, and here we go. If I go to widgets tab, I can paste the URL here and click create button, save after that. Yeah. After doing that, already created that widget. So if I press reset button, here we go. I have this widget. It shows how many people, how many viewers I have. So right now I have 0 viewers. If somebody will join, it will add +1. And yeah, it's also you can lock with this button, this widget, like this. If I press this button, here we go. I cannot interact right now with this widget. Also, you can do the same with chat.